Welcome to ConceptGuru.
Where learning is fun.
We are gonna start with the concept of divisibility. What is divisibility? It is testing whether the divisor divides the dividend exactly or not. Namely, whether the remainder is 0 or not. First, let's recap the terms dividend, divisor, remainder by the help of this example and also understand what is divisibility thereby. Let's first test with divisibility of 15 by 2. This is how we divide 15 by 2. 2 sevens are 14. We subtract 14 from 15 to yield 1 as remainder. 15 here is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. 7 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. We should note here that the remainder is not 0. Therefore, 15 is not exactly divisible by 2. For a dividend to be exactly divisible by divisor, the remainder must be 0 on division. Let's test divisibility of 15 by 3 now. This is how we go about it. Right? Here we get 3 5s are 15 and the remainder is 0. Therefore, 15 is exactly divisible by 3. For smaller dividends like 15, this divisibility could look simple, taking less time to solve. For bigger dividends like 1024, 1891 and this one, it's too big to test divisibility by 2. And it can be quite cumbersome, right? But the good news is we need not do the entire division to find out if they are divisible by 2 or not. Because we have simple rules of divisibility. Divisibility rule for 2 and divisibility rule for 5 is what we are going to show in this video. So the divisibility rule for 2 is all numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are exactly divisible by 2. So remember this and let's go ahead. We are going to check the divisibility of these numbers by 2. 200, 305, 1416, 1898, 20,001, 1099. Now you can test out the divisibility rules that we just spoke about to get more confidence in these rules. It's always a great idea to test theories by actually dividing the numbers by 2. If the remainder comes 0, our rule is correct. Let's check the divisibility then with the rules that we just spoke about. Which are the numbers that are divisible by 2 here? Let's hope you got it correct and we know the reason why, right? Yes, 0, 6 and 8 are the endings of these numbers which would be divisible by 2. Once again, all numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are going to be exactly divisible by 2. Let's move on to the divisibility rule for 5. This is further simpler. All numbers ending with 0 and 5 are exactly divisible by 5. So we can check the few numbers here. Check whether they are divisible by 5 or not. So we have 200, 305 and so on. Let's check which are the numbers that end with 0 and 5. Again, it's going to be a great idea to test your theories. You actually divide the number by 5 and check for yourself if the remainder comes out to be 0. With that, this is the result. These 3 numbers on your left hand side are going to be divisible by 5 because they end with 0 and 5. Whereas the numbers on your right do not end with a 0 or 5. Hence, they would not be divisible by 5. Once again, all numbers ending with 0 and 5 are exactly divisible by 5. Here, we have tips for parents. So familiarity with the tables that of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these can enhance the speed of solving sums. Division by small numbers can be a regular practice even at play. Divisibility by 2 and 5 have the easiest of rules. Let children have fun with lots of practice. We will have a follow-up video on rules of divisibility by 3 and 4 next. And today's math code? The only place where you people buy 83 watermelons and nobody wonders why. Funny one. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.
Press the bell icon for our latest videos.